And here's another one where you might not want to really hear, but it's to be grateful. Again, whenever they said that, here I am sitting interviewing everybody, and I heard them say grateful, and I'm thinking, what do I have to be grateful with? I just cashed out my last investment fund. I mean, I am not grateful. I had no idea how on earth to even be grateful. But scientists at UCLA, it's an article that I read, and it came across my desk at just the right time, have proven that when you think about being grateful and you actually feel it, the heart sends a signal to the brain that makes us happier, it makes us healthier, it helps with depression and anxiety. I mean, how cool is that? So I thought, okay, I gotta be grateful. So how am I gonna be grateful when I'm miserable? So what I decided to do was be grateful for the things that I already had. And that's what everybody that I interviewed said. Be grateful without expecting anything in return. So I would lie in my bed and I would be, I'm so grateful for my cozy blankets, and I'm so grateful for the coffee I'm about to make, and I'm so grateful for my house coat I'm about to put on, because that's what we call it, because I'm Canadian. And I'm so grateful for the fact that I have a nice sweater I'm gonna put on today. I'd go for walks. I would be grateful for things that were already there, and I'm not asking you to do anything spectacular. I'm just asking you to plant the seeds.